I'm John Chudy. This is my wife Megan, and we're building the Addison P.
The best part about our building process so far has been our salesperson, Jesse. He's worked with us for over a year to help us find the floor plan and lot that worked perfectly for us. Also, we've enjoyed the design studio, helping stay within our budget and still get the things we want for our home.
What sets Shaw Homes apart from other builders is the process, step by step, very easy, very low stress. I feel like we've gotten everything that we've wanted and haven't sacrificed a thing.
And I feel like the customer service we've received has set them apart from other builders. Everyone's been so nice, accommodating, answers any and all questions with no hesitation. So it's been a wonderful experience.
If I knew someone who was thinking about building their own home, I would definitely tell them to check out Shaw Homes.
One of the great things Shaw Homes has is the model homes tour, which really helped us because it gives you a chance to go look at all their model homes, check out the different features in every home, and help you decide what's perfect for the home you want to build.